How is the Ukraine conflict impacting Europe's political stance in 2026? The ongoing war has reshaped alliances, policies, and power balances in ways few predicted. Let's uncover the surprising ripple effects across the continent. Since the conflict began, European countries have moved closer together politically. The European Union has strengthened its collective decision-making, especially around security and defense. Countries once hesitant to cooperate militarily now share intelligence and coordinate arms support, marking one of the most unified stances Europe has taken in decades. This unity signals a historic shift from fragmented politics to strategic solidarity. The Ukraine conflict exposed Europe's vulnerability due to heavy reliance on Russian gas and oil. In response, the continent has fast-tracked renewable energy projects and sought alternative suppliers worldwide. This energy pivot affects political decisions, with governments prioritizing sustainability and supply security over old economic ties. It also influences foreign policy, as energy independence becomes a key strategic goal. The war prompted many European nations to boost defense spending dramatically. This surge aims to modernize armed forces and reduce dependence on external protection. NATO's presence in Eastern Europe has expanded, supported by increased national contributions. The political stance now emphasizes readiness and deterrence, influencing budget debates and public opinion across Europe. While many European nations unite, internal political polarization grows in several countries. Debates over sanctions, refugee policies, and military involvement have split public opinion. Eastern European countries tend to support a hardline stance, while some Western nations face pressure to balance diplomacy with defense. These tensions challenge political leaders and influence elections, shaping Europe's future direction. Europe's political stance in 2026 reflects a continent reshaped by conflict. From stronger unity to energy independence and defense shifts, the Ukraine war has rewritten Europe's strategic playbook. If you want to keep unraveling the world's biggest questions every day, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.